gonna try this again because my last style, y'all thought y'all was funny with that Rick James comment. Let me tell you something. A curly bang is cute sometimes. A lot of you did like it, but I got another style for you guys just in case. Let's do another worth it or waste it.
I'm looking for all the baddies all over the world. Ladies, where my baddies at?
Alright, so we are back. This wig comes from Ashimryhair. We're going to get into all the details and we are going to be checking out a new style from Ashimryhair, and this is a fall inspired style. Let's do an unboxing. Let's get into it. I want you guys to let me know how you like the style so that I can help you get the best styles, and it also just helps the companies know what you actually want compared to what you don't. Leave me a comment below this video. Goodies in it. Sometimes it varies just from sale to sale. However, you get the wig, and then they also put in like their wig cap and edge bands and some accessories, and of course they always throw in some instructions to show you how to use the wig and some little things.
Where my baddies at? I'm bad, you bad.
Girl, out the box. This looks so good. It comes with the pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace with a beautiful color. I believe this is a body wave texture. Look at them curls. Just bouncy, okay? Very gorgeous. It comes pre-curled for you so you don't have to curl it. It's giving whatnots. Like, the parting is really good. Now, this is their invisible strap wig, so you can actually use this with or without glue. This is a 360 lace wig, so you get a good amount of parting space, as you can see. That's how much parting space you get. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try this wig on now. The way they construct their wigs are very realistic looking. It's just gorgeous. So with the strap, all you have to do is just pull this string and tighten it or loosen it.
Yeah. Real bad on the prowl. Heard you was next, but I'm up now. Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Straight out the box, this lace is not blending very well. However, that hairline is laid down. I'm gonna have to melt this down some, but this is what it looks like straight out the box. But I want you to drop me a comment right now. Tell me what you think about the wig straight out the box before I do anything to it. This is a 24-inch, so it's going to retail for $349 for the 24-inch. But of course, I got a discount code for you guys, so if you want to save, definitely check out the discount code below. But it does come with pre-cut lace. It does come pre-styled. You can get the density options between 180, 250%. and length options from 14 all the way to 34 inches. Jesus. But if you want a 14 inch or if you want an 18 inch, the 14 inch is $184. So much cheaper to go short. You guys can tell me, how do you feel about this style straight out the box? Like, this is what it looks like, doing nothing to it, just putting on your head. Drop me a comment, let me know. Alright, so I'm just going to brush the hair out because I'm going to recurl it. So yeah, let's style it up a bit and then we'll get into how it's going to look afterwards. Alright, so we're going to take the Kiss Colors Lace Bond. This is the 10 times hold, and this is what I'm going to be using to secure this down. Already that helps to melt that lace, as you can see. You want to dry it a bit before you actually tie it down. Of course, you know, we're going to take the edge band and we're going to tie down the edge of this lace like so. Make sure it lays nice and flat. So as you can see, I can comb through the hair. There's no tangles in this hair. I'm getting minimal shedding. This is all the shedding I'm getting by brushing through the hair. The hair is clean. It just smells really good and it feels healthy. So the color didn't impact the hair at all. Sometimes when you get color wigs, it can be a bit dry.
Yeah. Real bad on the prowl. Heard you was next, but I'm up now. Yeah, I'm shining like bling blow. And I see a couple haters in the crowd. Yeah, drip, drop, I'm juicy. Don't really care what you say. And we all on Duce. It's your birthday, girl, go crazy. Now make it clap and get low. Yeah, now back it up a little more. Yeah, now bring it up slow. You need a stage the way you putting on the show. Now grab your bestie by the hand and let her know she bad. Say grab a baddie by the hand and let her know she bad. Where my baddies at?
Now, of course, if you do rollers, you want to let them sit. That way they can cool down, the hair can cool down before you take it loose. But I'm gonna go ahead and just take down this so I can work with the hairline and see how that looks. The melting spray to get rid of the edge of the lace that you can still see. Just spray that around the hairline like so. And all these products will be linked below. So pretty. This is so pretty. Yes, I added a few layers right there at the front. This is the finished result. I love this color so much for fall. It's really pretty. It's blending. I can still go over it just a little bit. Alright, so my overall thoughts on this wig from Ashimary is I think it's a really great style. It's definitely worth it if you want a fall color that is really pretty. The color was not drying. The hair is really pretty. You can style it, you can curl it. As you can see, you can take it straight out the box and style it. You don't have to wash it because it comes already clean. There's no smell on this hair at all. The only thing that I feel like I didn't like is the lace. The lace is too light, way too light. I wish they had went with a better lace. However, it is blendable. You can get a lace tint and tint it, or you can just use a little bit of makeup like I did. But for the most part, the hairline, the knots is gorgeous. Like, there's no knots in that parting, and of course you can part this anywhere. And because it is an invisible strap wig, you can pull it up if you want to, or you can do a half up half down style. Check out my channel if you want style inspirations for your wigs. I definitely still do have a lot of videos that you guys may not have seen. But yeah, this wig will be linked below in the description box, and I'll also put a discount code down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I will see you back in my next video.